back to an absolute new video by Zrix.com. This one is called Ace Palm Floors. It is spread across on a township of 50 acres. This beautiful township has a lot to offer. मैं पहले मैं project के बारे में बता देती हूँ. ये located है sector 8990 in Gurugram. And this locality has a lot to offer because यहाँ पर बहुत सारे low density projects हैं. Even this one is a low density project जहाँ पे आपको ground, first and second floor मिलेगा. I am very excited because वो floors के अंदर बहुत कुछ है ऑफर करने के लिए. बट पहले प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में बात करते हैं. प्रोजेक्ट के आसपास बहुत सारे स्कूल्स, हॉस्पिटल्स, शॉपिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स, एंटरटेनमेंट एरिया, एवरीथिंग इज विद इन द विसिनिटी. कनेक्टिविटी के बारे में बात करते हैं. कनेक्टिविटी की बात करें तो फिर हमारे पास आ जाता है मल्टी यूटिलिटी कॉरिडोर. वी ऑल्सो हैव NH8, पटौदी रोड, द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे, दिल्ली जयपुर हाईवे. एवरीथिंग बेसिकली जितनी भी हमारी कनेक्टिविटी है वो यहाँ से वंडरफुल है. तो ट्रैवल करते हुए आपको बिल्कुल दिक्कत नहीं होगी, चाहे आप गुड़गांव से जयपुर जा रहे हो या फिर गुड़गांव से दिल्ली जा रहे हो. Connectivity is wonderful. Now coming back to the project is again, like I said, it is spread in a township of 50 acres of land. Project में आपको plot size अलग से मिलेगा and then you also get the floors as well. आज मैं आपको floors दिखाने वाली हूँ which is a 3+1 BHK. It's a very interesting floor और उसका concept काफ़ी unique है. बहुत ही कम ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं जो उस तरीके का प्रोजेक्ट डिलीवर कर रहे हैं या फिर ऐसी फैसिलिटीज आपको प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं. वेल फ्लोर्स तो है ही हमारे पास टू ऑफर यू एंड आई एम गोना शो यू वन ऑफ देम लेटर. बट पहले मैं आपको प्लॉट साइज के बारे में बता देती हूँ. यू विल हैव अ लॉट ऑफ ऑप्शन टू गो फॉर बिकॉज यहाँ पर प्लॉट साइज जो है वो 183 to 600+ स्क्वायर यार्ड तक जाता है. तो आप अपने बजट और अपने कन्वीनियंस के हिसाब से प्लॉट साइज चूज कर सकते हैं. Amazing offer for anybody who wants to build their independent floor. Well, now we are inside the property and Palm Floors has a lot to offer. Even a clubhouse with world-class amenities जहाँ पे आपको swimming pool भी मिलेगा, sauna, spa, restaurants, basically even indoor games. So basically everything that there should be in a great clubhouse with world-class amenities. Moving on, I am in the open space. As you can see, दोनों तरफ पे green area है. This side or the other. On the other hand, I have a huge fountain to increase the beauty of this project. Amphitheater काफी spacious है. एक round amphitheater create किया गया है so that काफी ज़्यादा audience या फिर काफी सारे residents साथ में बैठ के जो भी यहाँ पर functions हैं या ceremonies हैं वो साथ में enjoy कर पाएं. Well, it is very important to have a combination of green along with the urban lifestyle, which Ace is definitely offering you in Palm Floors. Let me just tell you all the factors that it has which will attract you, like rainwater harvesting, eco-friendly community, timer setted street lights. Along with that, they also have huge aroma gardens, solar power panels and even hard waste management. So these are all the factors that Palm Floors is offering, which is quite unique, and I think that makes this project also very special because they are making sure that everything is eco-friendly. Well, I'm standing outside the sample floor and this is how it looks like from outside and this is how the entry is going to be. आपकी balcony से आपको बहुत ही प्यारा garden view मिलेगा. So now let's move on and I will show you the sample flat. Alright then, welcome to the 3+1 BHK sample apartment of Palm Floors, and the configuration of this beautiful apartment is 1875 square feet. मैं अभी लिविंग एरिया में हूँ और दिस इज हाउ द लिविंग एरिया लुक्स लाइक, जहाँ पे आपके अराउंड 7 to 8 फैमिली मेम्बर्स और गेस्ट कैन अकोमोडेट वेरी इजीली. यहाँ पर आप बैठ के आराम से एंटरटेनमेंट एरिया भी बना सकते हैं. बेसिकली सामने ही टीवी का कंसोल है, सो आप अपना कोई भी मूवी साथ में बैठ के एंजॉय कर सकते हैं. लिविंग एरिया के साथ एक कनेक्टिंग बैल्कनी भी आ जाती है ऑन द ऑपोजिट साइड. Now, very interesting part about this property is that we have a separate family lounge area. So this is the lounge area and this is the dining area. So काफी unique concept है जो कि usually बहुत सारे apartments में नहीं दिया जाता, but यहाँ पर available है. And I love round tables, especially अगर dining table round हो. It is quite beautiful. It adds on to the beauty and interior of the apartment as well. So this is one of the ideas that you can go for when you take the possession of the apartment. Now this is the +1 that I was talking about, जो कि मैंने आपको बोला था 3+1 BHK. This is that +1. Interestingly, आप इसको कई तरीके से use कर सकते हैं. As of now, they have created it into a workspace, which I also admire because I think आजकल work from home बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गया है. So this space can be utilized for that. Or of course, if you have children, you can dedicate this area for their playtime. This is our modular kitchen. Our modular kitchen has slab on both the side और इसके साथ ही साथ आपको chimney and hob भी as it is मिलेंगे. You will have a lot of cabinets, तो काफी storage है यहाँ पर. And with this modular kitchen, you also have a utility balcony जहाँ से आपको काफी ventilation तो आएगी, natural lighting भी आएगी, and there is a perfect view as well. Now let's move on towards the bedrooms, and bedrooms are quite spacious. पहले bedroom number 1 में चलते हैं, which is the kids bedroom. Let me just show you that. And this is how the kids bedroom looks like. काफी प्लानिंग करके kids bedroom बनाया गया है. It has a single bed on one side और दूसरी तरफ पे एक sitting arrangement किया गया है. And then for kids, because they need to study, then उसके लिए भी अलग से there are study tables. So even though it is spacious, but they made sure that the kids bedroom has a study area separately, and that's how they have shown you so that you get an idea of what you can do with this room. Even the kids have an attached balcony, and the kids of course needs their own wardrobe. Then we have a wardrobe for them going from top to bottom, तो काफी ज़्यादा storage मिल जाता है बच्चों को भी. And then in the complete apartment there are inbuilt VRV AC. तो AC का inbuilt होना काफी important है because अब आपको अलग से अपना AC नहीं लगवाना पड़ेगा. And then of course it's a hassle. So basically आपका जो move-in है वो काफी easy हो जाएगा. And then comes the common washroom for kids. So ये आपको living area और kids bedroom से connect कर देता है. And we have a separate shower area, the toilet seat, and a very cute and beautiful vanity. Well, bedroom number 2 is quite huge. You might be confused कि कहीं यही तो master bedroom नहीं है, but they have made sure that master bedroom is even larger than this one. It has a full wardrobe for his and her, so काफी spacious हो जाता है, काफी storage हो जाती है. And then TV console के लिए भी space दिया गया है opposite to the bed. We have a connecting balcony. Now this connecting balcony is also a connecting balcony to the kids bedroom balcony. तो पूरी running balcony बन जाती है वो. बालकनी काफी स्पेशियस है, उसके साथ ही साथ UPVC ग्लासेस हैं, क्लियर ग्लासेस हैं, तो आपका व्यू बिल्कुल भी ब्लॉक नहीं होगा. इवन दो यू आर रिलैक्सिंग ऑन योर बेड, you will have an absolutely wonderful view. And then we have the connecting washroom. The washroom has a separate shower space, toilet seat, and the vanity. The concept goes same as the other washrooms. And then we have our last bedroom, but this is not the least because I have more to show. There are some surprise elements about this apartment. But पहले master bedroom की बात कर लेते हैं. Well, this is how the master bedroom looks like. It is so nice, calming. I love the interior work, and I think it's a great inspiration to go for if you are taking the possession of Ace Palm Flowers. Well, the master bedroom also has a very huge balcony, and it's also a very big and very large balcony. Let me just show you that. And then we have the connecting washroom. Well, of course, master bedroom deserves a master washroom, and then comes the walk-in wardrobe, जो कि आपको further washroom की तरफ लेके जाएगा. Walk-in wardrobe is designed in such a way कि his and her को separate space दिया गया है, काफी अच्छी storage है. And then we have the washroom. This is how the washroom looks like. Separate shower area, toilet seat, and the vanity. मास्टर बेडरूम में इंजीनियर वुडन फ्लोरिंग है, थोड़ा एस्थेटिक और बढ़ जाता है रूम का, एंड they've made sure that it looks more lavish in that way. And now the interesting part, which is where is this lift going inside the apartment? Well, this is going to the basement. If you go for a ground floor, you get the basement along with the possession, and if you go for the first and the second floor, you get the terrace, which is divided between first floor and the second floor. तो पहले मैं आपको basement में लेके चलती हूँ. Well, this is how the basement looks like, and it is absolutely wonderful. You get a snooker table and you get a lounge area. Well, this is how the basement looks like, and it's absolutely wonderful because they have made sure they are giving you indoor games. They are giving you a lounge area. They are also offering you a dining area if your guests are here, a bar area, a puja room, powder room, gym, and then another sitting area as well. All this just in the basement. I think that is wonderful concept. This is our pool table, and here they have created a very nice, very luxurious and comfortable lounge area जहाँ पे आप आराम से अपने फ्रेंड के साथ बैठ के कोई भी मूवी देख सकते हैं. And then we have the dining area right over here. Well, if you have a big gathering, of course you'll have to bring them in the basement because this is something to brag about. And you can have a huge gathering. Powder room एकदम साथ में ही है तो काफी comfortable हो जाता है. And then on the opposite side, we have another lounge area. So basically ये आपका relax area हो सकता है जहाँ पे आप अपनी drinks या soft drinks whatever you want. आपको कुछ खाना भी खाना है तो यहाँ पे बैठ के आप आराम से खा सकते हैं because we have the bar next door to it. But since they have created it as a bar or a mini kitchen, आप इसको किसी भी तरीके से utilize कर सकते हैं. We have the puja room opposite to it, and this concept is called sunken court. So काफी wonderful concept है because basement में भी sunlight आना is a very great thing, right? I am sure काफी questions होंगे आपके भी दिमाग में और आप काफी कुछ सोच रहे होंगे. Okay, then how can we take the possession? What is the price? What not? Everything, because it is so attractive. You can always get in touch with us on the below mentioned number, and we will obviously absolutely help you out with everything. Now, continuing with the basement, we have the gym area right over here. This is how the gym area looks like. Basically, आप यहाँ पर एक room भी create कर सकते हैं. For example, you have a huge family. आप basement को एक दूसरी तरीके से भी यूज कर सकते हैं. आप एक रूम क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. So उसका भी स्कोप है. So versatile, you can do hundreds of things in this basement area. Well, now that I've shown you the complete project, I hope you've liked it. But if you still have any questions, we will help you out on the below mentioned number. You can contact us. Apart from that, let me give you some highlights about this project. Like, it has plot sizes of different size going from 183 to 600 plus square yard, and the flats are also quite amazing. They have a unique offer as well, which is अगर आप ग्राउंड फ्लोर लेते हैं तो उसके साथ आपको बेसमेंट एरिया कंप्लीट मिलेगा, लेकिन अगर आप फर्स्ट और सेकंड फ्लोर लेते हैं तो उसके साथ आपको टेरेस एरिया मिलेगा, which will be divided between the first and the second floor. Well, that is all about the floors. Well, उसके बाद Palm Floors Club House भी ऑफर करता है, which is of 50,000 square feet, जिसमें आपको वर्ल्ड क्लास एमिनिटीज मिलेंगी, चाहे वो स्विमिंग पूल हो, इंडोर एक्टिविटीज हो या फिर रेस्टोरेंट, कैफे, बेसिकली एवरीथिंग दैट देयर शुड बी इन अ वर्ल्ड क्लास क्लब हाउस. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, दिस इज अ 50 acres of township. उसके अंदर ये प्रोजेक्ट आ जाता है. Palm Floors located in sector 8990 of Gurgaon, a perfect location for those who live in Gurgaon or are planning to move to Gurgaon. Thank you so much.